Oh my goodness, you're just in time. We're planting thyme. Ah, see what I did there? I can make dad jokes even when I'm talking about gardening. What? So thyme is also known as garden thyme. That's what we're going to be planting today. Or, well, starting the seeds today, transplanting later. All right, so you're definitely going to want to start your thyme a little bit early because the germ date, thyme has a tendency of taking its time. Oh, I know, right? Terrible. So thyme is actually in zones 5 through 12. Very tiny seeds, which I'll pop it up there so you guys can see them better, but they're dinky. So you want to start thyme indoors 6 to 8 weeks prior to your last frost to give them a good start in the spring. And you do not want to direct sow them because in the spring soils that are still, ranging temperatures and so on and so forth, it can actually lengthen your germination time. Plus, they don't like being in full sun when they're germinating. Once they're germinated, they like full sun with sandy, well-drained soil. They're actually very drought tolerant because they originate in the Mediterranean. Sow these at about a 1/4 inch deep. So what I like to do is I just kind of spread them through there. I mean, like you see me shake the bag out on them. And then all I do is I turn around, grab a little bit of this seed starting soil, and you just put a little bit on top of there. And that should be about a 1/4 inch. It works out really well. You want to have your soil about 70 degrees, so I actually put these on a heating mat. All right, so once you're ready to transplant, all you have to do, like the requirements for these guys, is to put them in full sun, part shade, and either one is fine. And you want them in sandy, well-drained soil. And they'll grow to be about 8 inches tall, and they will bloom in late summer, early fall. When you're transplanting, you want them to be 9 to 12 inches apart. So thyme has a lot of uses, especially in culinary and then also in the medicinal field, herbal, supplemental. And they're actually really good for attracting honeybees and butterflies. And actually, if you have thyme near your bee, honey will actually taste better. So something to think about for you guys that are growing. Something to think about for you guys who are raising honeybees is maybe planting a little thyme around them. For me this year, the biggest thing that I'm using thyme for will be the fact that it actually deters deer aromatically, so they don't like the smell of it. And then it also deters cabbage butterflies, so it'll get rid of the cabbage worms. So I'm planning on using it as a companion crop with a lot of my brassicas and other plants. So if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the updates as we go in through the process of getting these transplanted into the garden and making our pasture into an actual pliable garden bed.